If AI is supposed to be so smart, then why does it keep giving you the safe, obvious, general answers that feel like they were written for nobody but everybody at the same time? Well, here's what nobody tells you. AI wasn't built for you. It was trained to please as many people as possible, and that's exactly why you're frustrated. So let me explain before we go any further. I'm not selling anything. There's no course, there's no membership. This is just a 2-minute tip that I think that more people should know. So during AI's training, real humans rated thousands and thousands of responses. The answers that pleased the most people, well, those are the answers that AI learned to give as a response. Every time, to everybody, including you. An answer built for everyone is almost never right for anyone specifically. So that's why you've been getting the average. You've been getting the safe version. And it might sound good to you sometimes, but it's always going to be the AI's safest, most people-pleasing response. It's kind of like this. Think about a comedian. Comedians always know way better, funnier, more unexpected jokes, but they usually open safe because they don't know the room yet. They don't know the audience. However, those better jokes were always there. They were there the whole time. And that's your AI. Every time you ask it something, it opens with the safe joke. Not because it can't do better, because you haven't told it that safe wasn't good enough. So how do we get around that? Well, here's the fix. After you get your answer, respond with these 10 simple words. Give me a level 2 version of your last response. That's it. You now have given the AI one huge new signal. Stop optimizing for everyone and start optimizing for me. And the AI already knew the better answer. You just never told it that safe wasn't what you were looking for. So go ahead and give it a try. Go back to the last thing you asked any AI right now and respond back with, give me a level 2 version of your last response. And I promise you're going to see a completely different response. And it's not a glitch. That's AI finally giving you what it technically could have given you the first time. So if this helps you at all, let me know in the comments. And if you feel like following me for more tips and strategies like this, well, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, because once you know how to talk to AI, that's when everything starts to change. So this is Craig. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.